Shoulder pain doesn't have to control your life. The truth is, you could take control, and it starts right now. In just 5 minutes, you're gonna learn 4 game-changing stretches to eliminate that shoulder pain and make them feel like butter. Let's get to work and unlock your shoulders. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist, and before we get into the exercises, let's talk about why movement matters when managing shoulder pain. When your shoulders feel stiff or painful, the natural instinct or advice is to rest. This is the wrong advice for you to follow. Movement improves blood flow, reduces stiffness, and gets your shoulders into better positions throughout the day. When movement is done correctly, it can actually address the root cause behind your shoulder pain by targeting tight muscles, poor mobility, or dysfunctions that you're moving your shoulders into. When done correctly, movement can actually improve your shoulder pain by reducing tension that you're experiencing, restrictions in the joints, or improving mobility in other areas. Imagine your shoulder is like a roundabout in a major city. The shoulder is designed to handle a lot of movement and traffic, but when one of the roads leading to the roundabout, aka the neck, first rib, thoracic spine, or shoulder blades become blocked or even congested, the roundabout itself has to work harder to manage the flow. Over time, this extra wear and tear can lead to strain on the shoulders, causing pain. Now, if you want to fix the traffic in the roundabout, you don't just go to the roundabout itself. You address the other areas or roads that are leading up to it. Clearing blockages in the neck and thoracic spine, first rib, or shoulder blades can significantly offload the shoulders and make them move more freely. This in turn will allow all the parts to move together as a team and not just isolated to the shoulders. This 5-minute routine is not only going to target the shoulders, but it's going to address those other areas so we can clean up that roundabout. The first exercise is called a belt rib mobilization. If you are having shoulder pain when you are sleeping, listen up for this one and give it a shot right before bed. You're going to grab a belt or a dog leash and you're going to sit on the belt. From there, you're going to pull it over your shoulder by your traps. Make sure you are creating tension by holding with 1 or 2 hands and pulling down. From there, you're going to take your neck and you're going to look down and in towards that armpit on that side. And then you're going to alternate and look up and out the opposite way. Move through this motion while you're holding tension on that belt. Complete 15 reps on both sides, taking note if one side is moving more free or feels stickier. This exercise can offload the median nerve, which can be compressed with overhead or sleeping positions with people with pain. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Next, we're going to loosen up the upper back and thoracic spine with an exercise called thread the needle. For this exercise, you're going to get on all fours. You're going to take one shoulder and slide it underneath your upper body to the other side, allowing your shoulder and head to rest gently on the ground. Hold for 10 seconds and then return to the starting position. Complete 3 reps on either side, taking note of where you're feeling that tightness and restriction as you're moving through the motion. The next exercise is a bench opener. We're going to be freeing up the lats and thoracic spine together. For this exercise, you're going to need a bench and either a PVC pipe or a dowel. You're going to head over to the bench. You're going to hold the PVC pipe with your palms up. From there, you're going to rock your butt back and allow your chest to come forward, feeling a stretch in your upper back or even lat muscles as you're doing so. Complete 15 reps of this exercise, taking slow, deep breaths as you hold that bottom position. The last exercise is one of my favorites. It's called a windmill plus lift off. You're going to head over to the wall for this exercise. We are going to be unlocking the shoulder blades, neck, and thoracic spine together. Getting into a half kneel position, you're going to make sure that your hip is connected to the wall. From there, you're going to slide your arm up the wall into a rainbow position, making sure your eyes are following your hands the entire time. Once you get to that end range, you're going to lift your arm up the wall if you are able to. Holding for a second or two, return your hand to the wall and then swoop it back to that starting position. Complete 2 sets of 8 reps on each side, taking note if one side is able to move more freely or feels stickier than the other side. This can be part of the reason for why you're having that shoulder pain in the first place. And there it is, a simple shoulder stretching routine that you can do every day. It's going to help relieve tension, give you a window of relief, and make you feel like butter in the shoulders. Building these into your routine can make a difference in the first couple days to couple weeks. And although these exercises can be beneficial for many, this is not the permanent solution for your specific shoulder pain. There needs to be a thorough assessment screening the neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blades, and shoulders together to pinpoint what the root cause is behind your shoulder pain. If you're tired of this shoulder pain and you've done physical therapy, chiropractic, injections, or even surgeries, and you're still having that pain, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.